Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you 3 inexpensive Dollar Tree DIYs that I used to fill out my winter wonderland. This is a simple one that involves this 2-pack of Christmas ornament trees, and I will just be making these into some regular stand-up decor. I just start by filling one of these containers with some hot glue. This is going to serve 2 purposes. The first is to glue the tree into the pot here, and the second is the hot glue actually weighs the tree down so it stands by itself. And finally, I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and add some of this artificial snow to the bottom. You can use regular glue and glitter, or you could just paint it white if you want to. It just kind of helps disguise all of the hot glue in this clear container. You also don't have to use these containers for the pots that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can go ahead and use anything you have lying around your house. I noticed that some of my old tea light candles, like the little tins they come in, would probably work really well for this, and there's probably a million other things you could use. I actually also go one step further, and I will squeeze a little bit of Mod Podge into the bottom of the pot here, and then I fill it full of the snow. I just loved how these turned out, and because they are 2 packs, they are very inexpensive to make quite a few of them. Next, I'll be using these cotton balls that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to be making a fluffy snow-like garland. And now I'm just taking a needle and thread, and I am threading some cotton balls onto this thread that is still attached to the spool. So I will be able to add cotton balls and make the length of the garland as long as I want. After I thread both bags, then I simply just tie the ends of the string to secure the cotton balls and hang it up for my winter wonderland. And for my last projects, these simple little LED glitter trees just need a little bit more glitter and glam in my opinion, so I'm just adding a little bit of fake snow to the bottom so that their glittery, glitzy look goes all the way down. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so I will know to make more videos just like this one. I'll see you guys in my next video.